Hello everyone, welcome to my holiday, my home here in my kitchen around the world under one roof back with Chef Hoskey. Today I am taking you to Thailand and we are going to make some pad thai. Now pad thai comes from actually China, but it was brought into Thailand during the World War II because they had a shortage of rice, so they instead of rice they used noodles in place of rice. So that's how pad thai came and became very famous in Thailand as one of the famous street foods. So you get shrimp pad thai, chicken pad thai, vegetarian pad thai. So here we go again. So here we come with me to my kitchen and join me to make this pad thai. We're going to make shrimp pad thai today. Alright, so I already got my boiling water going on for my rice noodles. And right now I'm just going to go over some of the things that I do have. I have my brown sugar. I have my peanut butter. I do have my green onions. I do have, actually, I have some fish sauce in here. I have some soy sauce in here. And I have some rice vinegar in here. And I put a little bit of oyster sauce in here. And lime juice. I have my cilantro, I have my bean sprout, I have my chili peppers, dry chili peppers, and I have my peanuts, my roasted peanuts, and my salt and pepper, my shrimp, my sliced thinly bell pepper. I have just a little bit of ginger. I have my garlic. I also have 2 eggs that I scrambled that will be cooked. I have my julienne carrots here, and I have my shrimp, and I have a little bit more my green onions that I did cut. Alrighty, so then I'm going to go over to the stove, and then I'm going to go ahead and start doing my frying and putting this all together. So come on over to the stove with me. Put them in here. You need to just boil 6 to 8 minutes. So you want to get all your noodles in there. Alrighty. Alright, so this is the pad thai. And we're going to dress it all up and finish it all up. Make it look nice and pretty and tasty. In there like this. Mahalo for joining me here today in my kitchen around the world under one roof here with Chef Hoskey. Thank you for joining me for making the shrimp pad thai. I really enjoyed it. I hope you enjoyed it too. If you like what you see, please pop a like, share with your family and friends, and please do subscribe. Next week we'll be next week I will be taking you to my island, Oahu, Hawaii, and we are going to be making some chicken luau stew, and oh my goodness, this is like one of my favorites. And actually my daughter-in-law favorite too, Lexi. So if you're watching, girl, here go your recipe. We're making some chicken luau stew from Oahu, Hawaii, my style, my island style. So hopefully I'll see you guys next week, Wednesday, that you guys will be watching my YouTube channel around the world under one roof here with Chef Hoskey. Aloha and ahui hoyo.